Happy morning, children. We are going to start with practice set 12.2. First question, word problems are given to us and we should now be learning how to frame equations. Now here the question is, mother is 25 years older than her son and we have to find son's age and the ratio of their ages after age 8 years is given to us as 4/9. So I'll start first with, we have to find son's age. So we'll start with let the present age of son be m years. Then mother is 25 years old. So for example, suppose son's present age is 4 years. Then what will be mother's age? Mother is 25 years older than son. Means to this m we have to add 25. Then we will get mother's age. So therefore mother's present age will be, what it will be for m plus 25 years. Okay, so once we start with son, mother's age will be m plus 25. Now after 8 years. So after 8 years, what will be son's age? Now we are talking about future. After 8 years, son's age will be. Now as I said, suppose if son's age is 4, after 8 years his age will be, see, age increases by 1 every year. So after 8 years it will be 4 plus 8, that is 12. So we will write, therefore son's age after 8 years will be m plus 8 years. And mother's age will be same, we have to add 8. Mother's age will be m plus 25 plus 8. M plus 25 plus 8 years. Now, but ratio of the ages after 8 years is given to us as 4/9. So from the given condition, we will write from the given condition, son's age. See, first it is son's age. Find son's age if after 8 years, ratio of son's age to mother's age. Right? So first we have to write son's age. Son's age is m plus 8. After 8 years it will be m plus 8 as I told you. So we have to start by writing first m plus 8 because this m plus 8 is son's age. Ratio of son's age to mother's age. So in the denominator we will be writing m plus, now 25 plus 8 I told you. So we can write 25 plus 8 is 33. So here we can write 33. Okay, is equal to 4/9. So now what we will do, we will cross multiply and we will get the value of x. And that is what we have to write. See, we have to find son's age. So if you find son's age, that can be done by solving the equation. This equation we have to solve. And now cross multiply. You all have studied now how to solve the equation. So first step will be cross multiply. M plus 8 into 9 is equal to 4 into m plus 33. 9. Now as I told you, how are we doing this? In the equations I told you the formula which we are applying. A plus B into C is what? A into C plus B into C. Same method. M into 9 9m plus 9 8s are 72, which is equal to 4 into m, 4m plus, now 4m into 33 into 4, 3 4s are 12, 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 1 13, so we'll get 132. So now what we will do here, the term containing the variable we will take it to LHS. Here no sign means plus sign. Plus 4m you take it to LHS, it will become minus 4m. Then this 132, it is to right hand side of equal to sign. Keep it here. This 72 a constant, take it to RHS. You will get minus 72. Sign will change as I told you. Plus will become minus. Then 9m minus 4m is 5m. Greater term, this coefficient you see is 9. Plus sign is given. So greater number sign you have to put. Is equal to 132 minus 72. 2 minus 2, 0. 13 minus 7, 6. So 5m. 5m means 5 into m. 5 into m is equal to 60. 5 into m can be written as m into 5 is equal to 60. So m is equal to 60 upon 5. So we will get m is equal to 6, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So m is equal to 12. So we wanted to find sun's age. So we started with let the present age of sun be m year. So we will write, therefore sun's present age is equal to 12 years. I hope you have understood this sum.